Hello children, welcome back to English Mulberry class. Today in this class, we are going to discuss the exercise that is to be done in the book and the question and answers and word meanings of the poem The Rainbow. Let's start this class now. First of all, we are going to do our book exercise. Put a tick right against the correct answer. A. In the poem, where do the boats sail? The options given are oceans, lakes, rivers. So children, all of you have read the poem and you know in the poem it is being said that the boats sail on the rivers. So the correct answer is rivers. Put a tick right against rivers. Next is the poet thinks that the dash. The options given are clouds in the sky do not look good. Next option is clouds in the sky look pretty. Next one is clouds in the sky are fluffy and white. So when we have read the poem, I have already explained you that the poet is comparing the boats and the ships with the clouds. And the poet says that the clouds are prettier than the boats and ships that are sailing on the rivers and the oceans. So here we have been given the options. Clouds in the sky do not look good. So the poet is not saying this. Poet is instead saying clouds in the sky look pretty. So the correct answer is clouds in the sky look pretty. Second option is the correct one. C. Clouds are prettier than rivers and seas, boats and ships, rainbows. So the poet is comparing the boats and the ships to the clouds, and the poet is saying clouds are prettier than boats and ships. The correct answer is boats and ships. Next one is where are the bridges? The options given are on the roads, on the hills, on the rivers. So children, all of you know bridges are on the rivers. So the correct answer is on the rivers. Put a tick right against the option on the rivers. So now we are going to do a copy work. Word meanings. Bridges. What are bridges? Bridges are paths made above roads or rivers to help you cross them. All of you might have seen bridges. They are built over roads or rivers so that you can cross them. Second is bow. The meaning of bow in the poem is rainbow. Third is heaven. In the poem, the heaven is being said for the sky. Sky is being referred to as heaven. So the meaning of heaven is sky. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, what is called a road from earth to sky? Children, in the poem, we have come to know that the poet is referring a road from earth to sky to a rainbow. The poet is saying rainbow is the road from earth to sky. So our answer will be a road from earth to sky is called a rainbow. Next question is, have you ever seen a rainbow? So the answer is very obvious. Yes. And how does it look? The rainbow looks beautiful. So the answer is yes, it looks beautiful. Third question is, how many colors are there in a rainbow? Can you name them? Children, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. And to remember the colors of a rainbow, one term has been given, VIBGYOR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. So, the 7 colors of the rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. VIBGYOR. With this, we come to the end of our chapter exercise. Children, read the poem again and again. Do the work in your book and copy. And learn the exercise. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video and the next chapter. Thank you so much.